Why do 80% of homeowners struggle with drying clothes quickly? Here's the secret. First, load your freshly washed clothes into the machine. Don't overcrowd it, give your clothes some room to breathe. Next, select the dry-only option on your Samsung washer. You'll usually find this on the control panel. Just turn the knob or press the button, and you're good to go. Finally, hit the start button and let the machine work its magic. In just a bit, you'll have dry, ready-to-wear clothes, and there you have it. 3 simple steps to dry your clothes using your Samsung washer. No more waiting around or hanging clothes everywhere. Happy drying.